Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Heena's World. This is a general reading for Virgos for the month of March 2021. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of March. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, so Virgos, this is your card or the energy of the month, that is the Six of Swords reversed. So I believe that there I see a reconciliation here, or a wish for a reconciliation. You are in a position, or you might feel that you might feel like going back to a particular situation. You might feel that wherever you have reached right now, you had thought that maybe this is going to be a beautiful journey, this is going to be a beautiful place, this is going to do good to you, but unfortunately, it is not serving that much good to you, and you might feel that you might feel that you should go back to the happy place where you belong to. Moving ahead, the first week cards are Lovers reversed, King of Wands reversed, and Ace of Pentacles reversed. So I here see that you are losing your power, your hold in a relationship. It could be, a job, also a business relationship, a job, or a romantic relationship also. But I can see that the passion which was there in that relationship is somewhat losing, and you are unfortunately not able to do anything about it, because it's not a single person's responsibility, right? It's like a both way thing. So you people are, though there is love, but some kind of a misunderstanding, some kind of a, something is there which has grown up so big that you people are not, there is distance, like you're not talking to each other, you're not looking at each other, you're not seeing each other, something like that is there. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. So next week cards are Ace of Cups reversed, Page of Swords reversed, and King of Pentacles reversed. Again, I see, because of whatever has happened in the first week, that kind of a emotional movement. You are again, emotionally unstable. There is lack of peace. There is, you might cry and feel sad about the situation, and it's just not serving you any good. You're not, unfortunately, the worst thing is that you will feel helpless and you can't do anything about the situation, whatever is happening. And yeah, you might just sit idle, feeling helpless, not able to do anything, and it will be some kind of an emotional pain. So I'm sorry I have to say this, but this is what the cards are showing. Moving ahead, the third week cards are the Star, Two of Cups, and Queen of Pentacles. So I see here you're hoping for reconciliation. You're hoping for that love to come back in the relationship, that partnership to begin, because it is a soul connection. It is a connection of soulmates, and whatever you people are going through here, I see that it is a karmic thing which you have to go through to grow. I don't know how far it will go, but this is something that universe had planned. So by third week, maybe you might have some kind of contact with each other, some, in a good way. You will hope for better tomorrow, and you will work towards it. You will nurture that relationship, you will manifest that relationship, you will work towards the relationship, and you will feel good about working towards that particular relationship. Moving ahead, the fourth week cards are King of Swords reversed, the Tower, and Ten of Pentacles. So I see that whatever the problem is not going to go away pretty soon. You are hoping for a very good family life. You are hoping for a very good future. But unfortunately, this movement this kind of a pain is going to be there. It's a it's a universal thing. Universe has planned it for you. It is written in your destiny that you have to go through this thing. Once this period is over, definitely a new beginning will be there. But at least in this particular month, I don't see this getting over. And yeah, you just have to keep yourself calm and strong so that you can move forward and get over with this kind of a period. That's about it, Virgos. If you still have any doubt, you can write to us in the comment box. And if there is any kind of a general or personalized reading you want to go for, you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook. Links are given in the description box. That's about it. Good luck.